In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to change the frame rate, also known as FPS in DaVinci Resolve 18, you will need to go over to the settings and manage your timeline. First, if you go to the master settings of a specific project, you will notice that there is an option to manage the timeline frame rate. However, most of you will have it grayed out. So you won't be able to change it from here. This is a thing done on purpose, so sadly you can't just change the frame rate for an existing project. What you will have to do is go over to your media pool or go over to the options at the top left and create a new timeline. You can create a new timeline using selected clips and bins, or just create a new one by going over to timelines or by pressing Ctrl and N. Basically, it doesn't matter how you create a new timeline, but you need to go over and make a new one. When you get to this menu where you can create it, make sure that you untick this option, Use Project Settings. This needs to be unticked, or else you will not be able to access the settings related to the frame rate. Now go over to Format, and in here you will find things like the resolution, aspect ratio, and most importantly the frame rate. And now you are able to change it. So to keep it simple, you can only change the frame rate when you are creating a new project. For existing projects, you cannot easily convert them into the new frame rate. A workaround is to create a new timeline, then you copy everything from the old timeline into the new one. It isn't going to be perfect, but it will save you a lot of time. So create the new timeline in the desired frame rate for your end result, and then copy all of the files, all of the clips, the entire timeline into the new one, and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to change frame rate in DaVinci Resolve 18. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.